I thought I'd take you through a quick test run and show you how to use forms in Teams. So I'm connecting to a meeting right now. And once I get to that meeting, I want to pull up my chat function. So as you can see, I'm in a meeting and here's my chat. So you can see that I've already put a form in there, but I wanted to teach all of you how to do that. So one of the ways to do it is to click these three buttons right here. And when I click them, some options come up for an app. One of the apps I'm going to use today is Forms. So I'm going to click Forms, and this comes up. And on the forms, I'm going to click a question. And so my today's question was, have you ever used a poll in Teams? Okay. And then I'm just going to add the responses. I don't need a maybe. And I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to hit send. And when I hit that, it will send it over to the meeting chat and people can live respond and we can get some feedback. And when I respond yes and hit that and yes and hit that, then you can see that as people respond, we'll know if they've used this. And so this can be a great tool when you're working with students and you're trying to figure out if they're gathering the knowledge that you need them to have. So just a quick one.